Assalamu alaikum girls. A pleasant morning to you all. Hope you people are doing well. In your English, you people are having communication skill, right? Yes or no? Okay. I'll give you a small introduction about the communication skill. Okay. Do you know what is communication? Have you heard? Okay, fine. What is it? Communication, as dictionary described, it is the imparting or exchanging of information by speaking. As dictionary describes that what is communication is we are imparting or exchanging our information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. Okay, how we can communicate? Not only in a speaking communication, we can communicate with writing, or we can communicate with sign language, and are using some other medium. Is it clear? That is exchange of our feelings. Okay, exchange of our ideas, informations. That is information that is changing by speaking. Is it clear? Okay. Although this is a simple definition. Okay, it is a very simple definition about communication. Is it clear? Okay. When we think about how we may communicate, the subject becomes a lot more complex. That is, simply we can understand communication means that is interchanging our ideas, speaking, and in a writing way, like that. But when it comes to the subject matter, it becomes more complex, complicated, tough. Okay, there are various categories of communication, and more than one may occur at any time, such as there are many various categories. There are different types of categories are there of communication. Okay, so it can occur at any time. Is it clear? Okay. Here 7% words, 38% paralinguistics, 55% body language, all comes under communication skill. Okay, 7% words. Words are only labels, and the listeners put their own interruption on speaker's words. That is, only in communication the words plays a role of 7%. Is it clear? It is the listener who interprets, okay, who understands the speaker's words. Okay, it is depend on the listener how fully he listens the speaker's word. Is it clear, ma? Are you getting my point? Yes? Okay, then 38% of paralinguistic, that is your way of saying and your accent, your tone, your voice modulation, everything is important to the listener. That is paralinguistic. The way in which something is said, the way how you are saying. Okay, if I say good morning, hope you people are doing well, are you people listen to me? No, I have to be energetic, okay, by greeting you like good morning girls, like that. Yes or no? Yes, that is the modulation, the accent, the tone, the voice. Okay, when we have to raise our voice, when we have to lower our voice, like that. That is important to the listener. Then only the listener can understand the speaker. Okay, it catches the listener. That is 38% it plays, that is paralinguistic plays a 38% role in communication part. Is it clear, ma? Have you understood? Can you get my point? Okay. Then 55% of body language. This 55% of body language. That is, your body language plays a vital role in communication part. Okay, what a speaker looks like while delivering a message affects the listener's understanding most. That is, how you look, how you express, how you are delivering a message. Okay, that should be understood by the speaker. Is that clear, ma? Okay, here that is words 7%. That is the small image I have shared here. That is words plays a 7% of a role in a communication part, and voice plays a 38% of communication part, and the body language plays a vital role, and that is physiology. That is body language plays a vital role, very important role, okay, in a communication part. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Then I have showed here. Okay, here the definition of communication. Communication is commonly defined as the imparting or interchange of thoughts, opinions, information by speech, writing, or signs. Okay, sign, that is sign language. By showing your hand, nodding your head, like that. That is expressing face. That is imparting or interchanging of thoughts, opinions, and information by speech or writing or by sign. Is that clear, ma? Okay. The word communication comes from the Latin verb communicare, which means to impart, to participate, or to share. That is the word communication. The word communication is derived from Latin verb, okay, communicare. It means that imparting information or participating or sharing something, okay, sharing your idea, sharing your information, sharing your opinions, etc. Is that clear? Okay. Effective communication is important to all of us. That is, effective communication is important to all of us in every sphere of our lives, but be it our career or our relationships. Here, that is, effective communication is important to all of us in every sphere of our lives. That is, be it our career or in our relationship. That is, effective communication is most important thing in our daily lives. That is, in our career means in a professional life, for example, you people are student. That is, daily communication is most important thing for you. Yes or no? That is, you have to communicate effectively. So, not only in career, in our relationship also, effective communication is most important thing. Relationship means, that is, your relationship with your mother, father, sister, brother, and friends, whatever it may be. Okay, the effective communication is most important in our daily life. Okay, that is, better language is equal to better communication is equal to confidence. If you are having better language, that is equal to better communication. Okay, and it will develop your confidence. That is equal to confidence. Is it clear? Communicating confidently is the secret of living a happy and successful life. Communicating confidently is the secret of living a happy and successful life. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, next we have principles of successful oral communication. Now we are going to see the principles of successful oral communication. Here, how you can achieve the communication skill successfully. Okay, talking is to be heard and understood by the listener. That is, whatever you are talking, that should be listened and understood by the listener. Okay, if you are talking very slowly, how a listener can hear your words? Okay, so you have to raise your voice according to the pitch and the sound. Okay, is that clear? Have the rhythm and tone of a living voice. That is, the rhythm should be there and the tone of voice. That is where you have to raise your voice and where you have to lower your voice. Everything should be understood. Okay, language that is free from long winding sentences, cliches, old fashioned words and phrases. Here that you have to be learned person, you have to use a simple language, simple words, and you have to avoid cliches, old fashioned words or phrases or long sentences. Okay, that should be avoided. Then you can communicate successfully. Is it clear? Commonly used words, short and simple sentences should be used. That is everyday daily life. Okay, every day we used to use words no more. That word should be used in a communication, and short sentences and simple sentences should be used. The pitch of voice with distance of listener. The pitch of voice you should know. Okay, tone with accent of sincerity and confidence. Body language, that before itself I told you, that is 7% verbal, that is word, 38% tone of voice, and 55% visual factors, that is your body language. Is that clear? If you have all those things, you will achieve this oral communication successfully. Is that clear? Okay, then we have here, I have shared a picture about oral communication. Here what are all the ways to improve your communication? Okay, make mental notes, be clear and concise, write it out first, group participation, be a good listener, spell clear and precise, practice in a mirror. If you have achieved all those things, then you will achieve your communication skill. That is, first what are the ways how you can improve your communication skill? That is, you have to be mentally be prepared. Okay, and you have to be clear in your ideas. First you have to for example, if you are going to speak on some topic, you have to write it down first. Okay, what are all the points you are going to talk about? Okay, then group participation, among your friends you participate. Okay, then be a good listener, that is, you have to listen carefully. Then spell clearly and precisely, that is, your word should be spelled very clearly, that is, your pronunciation will be very good. Okay, practice in a mirror. Before going to present in a public, you have to practice in front of the mirror. It will develop your confidence. Is that clear? Okay. Then here we have the communication parts. Okay, that is 30% speaking, listening. I have shared an image here. Then types of body language. Remember that you are dealing with people. Yes, of course. That is, here I have showed you how people you are dealing with, that is postures and gestures. You have to concentrate on your posture and gesture, that is your body language. How do you use hand gesture, stance? Is it clear? Then eye contact is a most important thing in a body language, in a speaking skill, okay, in a communication. How's your lighthouse? Orientation, how do you position yourself, okay, how you, or that is how you tell about yourself, about your topic. That is presentation, how do you deliver your message? Is that clear? That is presentation. Looks, are your looks, appearance, dress important? That is you have to be very formal, okay. For example, if you are going in a public gathering and you are delivering a speech in a professional way, you have to wear a formal dress, not a informal dress. For example, in a meeting, you have to wear a shirt, pant, then tie, everything, okay, not casually you are wearing a t-shirt and going, okay. That is, you have to concentrate on your looks also, appearance, dress is important. Then your expressions of emotions, are you using facial expressions to express emotions? Yes, of course, whatever we talk, our face also expresses those things. So facial expression is also most important thing, okay. For example, if you are telling a sad story with a smiley face, whether it is a good combination, are you saying that is a facial expression? No, you have to express your face with your words, okay. That is expressions of emotion. Is it clear, ma? Okay. Then we have communication in business, okay. There is communication in a professional way, in your career. There is communication plays a fundamental role in all phases of business. It is therefore very important that both internal communication within your organization as well as the communication skills of your employees are effective. That is, here it tells about that it is a very important role, and it shows that not only it is important in both the way, that is in internal communication and in your organization as well as in the communication of your employees are very effective. Then effective communication is important for the development of an organization. That is, if you want to develop your organization, you have to communicate effectively. It is something which helps the managers to perform the basic function of management, that is planning, organizing, motivating and controlling. These are all the things to be taken care, okay, taken in control. That is, you have to plan, organize, and you have to motivate your employee, then you have to control, okay, and you will improve your effective communication, and you will see your effective communication, okay, and that is the development of an organization. Is that clear? Okay. Then communication skills, whether written or oral, form the basis of any business activity. Thus, it can be said the effective communication is the building block of an organization. That is, whether it is a written or a oral communication, it is the building block of an organization. It is the effective communication plays a important role in every aspects of life. Is that clear? Okay. Here I have shared one picture about the power of communication, the power, how communication is developing, how it is important in our daily life. That is, in a relationship, communication is most important. And if you have a communication, okay, you can build your relation, value, there is customer success, loyalty. This everything can be achieved, okay. That is the power of communication. That is the power of communication. Is that clear? Okay. Is that clear, ma? Okay, that is about the communication I have told you. Is that clear? Okay. Have fun in your career. That is, problems always exist. Don't be a problem, be a solution. Okay. What this quote says here? It says, in our daily life, in our life, problems always occurs. That is, problem is always there. Okay. So what we have to become? We should not become a problem. We have to become a solution. That is, we have to think about the solution. We should not think about the problem. Like problem is there, problem is there, problem is there. Like that you should not think. Okay, you have to find the solution for your problem. Is it clear? Okay, that is, don't be a problem, be a solution. Is that clear, ma? Okay. Is it clear, ma? That is, you have to have fun in your daily life. Okay. That is, you have to live your life very happily. You should not be sad, or you should not be depressed or frustrated. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, girls. Thank you. You are awesome. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, girls.